Okay, here we have a custom engagement ring box based on the DRD from Farscape. The DRD is a little droid that is a cleaner bot. And the piece here is actually from a kit, a DRD kit that you can purchase, and then it's been finished by me. It comes as just a chunk of white plastic basically, and then it's I finished it and then added lights and such to it. It is hollow on the inside, and then which allows for the ring to be hidden in it. On the back here, you can see that there's a little light switch, and we can turn that light switch on. And what that does is it actually illuminates a series of 4 lights on the bottom here, as well as the 2 glowing eyes on the front of the eye stalks there. And then I also created a key that I made here. This kind of looks sort of Farscape tool-ish. It's made to be a key ring, so it's got a little ring there on the back. And what it does is it actually attaches to the DRD right there, and then allows you to pull up, which then reveals the ring that is hidden inside in a nice little pouch there, which looks very much like it belongs on the droid itself, on the DRD itself. So there we have a Farscape DRD custom engagement ring box by Pape Designs.